Welcome to the 20th episode of Hillbilly Grow. Today it's the 70th day since we wetted down the seeds, and it's a bluebird day. We just had some snow up here like everybody else on the East Coast. Now the temperatures have stayed cold, so we don't have to think about any type of air conditioning yet. We will want the room in the 70s when we go into the grow for more better bud. And we're probably going to have to get a humidifier to bring up the humidity to get a better yield. If not, we'll still get a yield, but not as much as we could. Now, when I lived in Northern California, outside of Redding, up in the mountains, we would get snow like this. We would actually get like 4 feet of snow at like the 2,400 foot elevation, and even more up higher, like 12 feet. So I'm used to this snow and these bluebird days for sure. Today would be a good day to go out on the snowmobile up to Mount Shasta or Mount Lassen, as long as there wasn't no avalanche danger up at Mount Shasta. Because every 5 years at the riding area, they get a horrendous avalanche up there. So that to just keep in mind if you ever go out west. Check on your avalanche conditions. That's one thing I think about when I see the snow and want to go ride it. I'd like to thank all the new subscribers and all the original subscribers to Hillbilly Grow. I'm glad to do these videos for all you guys out there and girls that are ready to start growing the most easiest way you can and cost efficient. I really appreciate you guys signing up to the channel. And with my 17 years of experience, I won't steer you guys wrong. And if you break through the ice layer, you have to reposition your chair. And there it is, 2 of them coming together.